Okay guys, so we are cooking with Ashane today. Ashane, you wanna tell us what you're gonna be cooking?
Roast fish.
Roast fish?
Yeah.
Okay, so what are you cutting up?
Okra. Jamaican style.
Roast fish Jamaican style.
Okay, so as we go along, you're gonna tell us what you're doing. Okay, that's the sous chef.
Yeah.
Oh, and by the way, O'Shane did things backward. He made dessert first.
Okay, so what is this?
O'Shane style potato pudding.
Okay,
You know, see,
looks good.
I can't my personal late, you know. I can't bring the cook.
Okay, so guys, that's on me. That's on Colleen. Welcome back guys, and to my first time viewers, go ahead and click on that subscribe button and the notification bell so whenever I post you get those notifications. Thank you for coming back, and I look forward to seeing you again.
So this is callaloo. He steamed the callaloo.
Look at that, guys.
Just steam some callaloo. And we decide to use okra as well. So this is where he's doing it right here. Look.
Nice.
And in the meantime, lovers, we have to be having a little bit of this. Because you know we have to send the spirit down to keep the spirit.
Okay, it is Christmas, so you know we have to keep ourselves warm. Definitely so a little white rum is good.
A corona cure that too.
Alright,
Vaccine needed.
you know, hear that, people?
Come in half of this year use. As the callaloo season already. So you don't want to do so. I'll wash up all restore. Man. I mean.
Okay, you ready?
Alright.
Okay, so you start back.
So why brush the foil with butter?
Yeah, so the fish don't stick.
Okay.
Alright.
What kind of fish is this?
Oh, yeah, a snapper, man. Snapper.
So we brush the foil, then we are going to stuff our fish with the mix.
If you tell you.
So we have our callaloo with okra veggies inside, and we're gonna put it in this lovely fish. And the fish are already seasoned, guys.
Yeah,
so
pre-done. We start rolling.
then you roll.
I kind of seal it in as you go, you know, want the juice, the good stuff.
To run out.
Yeah.
Okay. That's one.
Alright.
So that's another one going in. And guys, when you do this at home, you know, it's all about cooking with love and patience. And
If you tell you.
you just decide how much to put in it. You don't want to put too much in it so that when when the fish is cooked, you understand, it don't stay in. So you just use your imagination and creativity. Remember, seal off the ends them.
So the good stuff.
Don't do what? Woo. So guys, we brushed just half of the foil paper. We only using a half of it to wrap and then the end. Let's see, because by the time you put the fish there, you wrap it and come down. You don't need to brush all of it. You're gonna have a lot of stuff in left.
No worry about that.
Oh, because you're going to do the crackers.
You just put it in the wrap, fire and steam.
So you see guys, by the time you wrap up to here, the fish is already in. All of this, rest of this is to hold everything together. So when we started off, we were basting all of the foil paper, which wasn't necessary. So when you do yours, remember not to do all of it. So chef, you're all set now?
Yeah, everything is ready for the oven.
Okay, so they are all wrapped and ready to go. So your next step is gonna be what? Chef get shy.
I'm not shy, man. Do you mind upon a different thing? I could have sketched me off still. What you say?
What's gonna be your next step?
After the oven preheat, put it at 350.
Okay.
And then you put them in, and after you just continue this feel head. Usually Jamaican style with the feel head, and then feel head gets soft.
Then you know it's cooked. Okay. So on estimated time, maybe 30-45 minutes?
No, it's about 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay. So
15 to 20 minutes.
that's it. We'll show you the finished product, guys. I'll definitely unwrap one and show you when I'm tasting it, and I'll tell you between 1 to 10 how I'm gonna rate
How much?
the
So
fish. 1 to 10.
I tell you, yes.
Alright. We will see if that's gonna happen.
Yeah, it's tough in ways, so go make use of them.
Okay. So what you gonna put this with?
There are some Excelsior.
Oh, water crackers. People are listening to Mario, okay? 1 crackers, 2 crackers, 3 crackers, 4.
This is 4.
Okay. So you just steam the crackers and have extra stuff in. So people, it gonna be some roast fish and crackers. And what you gonna be drinking? The good old Ray and nephew white overproof rum. Alright guys, so guess what? Food ready, fish steam. see the callaloo and the crackers mix up and the fish. So me I go taste it and me I go see if chef get 10 out of 10 or what. Alright guys, so Shane, what you say is a 10?
You just taste and just put up your hand and tell them.
Capture him, you know.
All of your finger them you have to put up.
Guys, me I taste the fish by itself first.
Later mine I get cooked.
Alright, may I taste it with some of the
No, I'm not talking about it taste first.
stuff.
The fish alone I say it taste.
One more. You have to take 3 tastes, you know.
Why 10.5 we get?
May I try to taste the top part where the stuffing in, you understand?
Yeah. Tell them.
One people one. I make one gram short. Alright, so I'm gonna be honest guys. Out of 10, I'm gonna give it an 8. The reason for that is when I taste the fish by itself, the seasoning could have, you know, soaked a little bit more in it. But you see, when I eat it with the seasoning, the okra and all of them strong up things there, I'd give it a 9. So my rating really and truly is an 8. Big up yourself, chef. Catch O'Shane in I.
10 brother. 10.
Okay. So guys, thank you so much for watching that video. Remember to like, share and subscribe and come back for more. Thank you. Take care. Bye.